Want a recipe that's both delicious and packed with anti-inflammatory goodness? This AIP baked salmon escabeche is your answer. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. Today, we're embarking on a cultural adventure, taking inspiration from the classic Filipino escabeche. We'll be using baked salmon and AIP-friendly ingredients to create a dish that's both delicious and supportive of our autoimmune health. In our tutorial, we will bake the salmon instead of frying. Into a baking sheet, we layer the parchment paper. We need a whole side of salmon fillet and lay our salmon fillet skin top first. I have here a wild-caught sockeye salmon from Costco. Lightly brush the skin with avocado oil. Turn the fillet over and creatively score the salmon meat like so. Sprinkle enough amount of salt, granulated garlic, and dried basil leaves all over the fillet. Instead of adding a layer of butter to keep the fillet moist and tender, we will brush this with palm shortening as our substitute. Creating a dome-shaped aluminum wrap, we will cover the salmon fillet and off to the oven to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. While that is baking, we will prepare the rest of the ingredients. In Julienne Cut, a cup of carrots, half cup of fresh ginger, 3 cloves of thinly sliced garlic, a 1/4 cup sliced onion in any color. For sweet and sour mixture, we combine a half cup of coconut vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup into a small bowl. Into a separate bowl, we dissolve a teaspoon of arrowroot starch to a 1/3 cup of filtered water. That will serve as our thickening agent. Into the wok over medium-low heat with half a tablespoon of avocado oil. Sauté our aromatics, garlic, onion, and ginger for a minute. Add a little bit of the vinegar-maple syrup mixture. Sauté. Then we load the carrots and the rest of the vinegar-maple syrup mixture. Mix and then add the dissolved arrowroot starch. Add a half tablespoon of coconut aminos. Mix and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until that sweet and tangy aroma fills up the room. Turn the heat off. Our salmon should be baked by now, ready to be transferred into a serving dish. And we scoop our escabeche mixture to top our baked salmon. And there you have it, folks! A vibrant, tangy, and totally AIP-friendly baked salmon escabeche that's going to make your taste buds do a happy dance. And if you love this recipe, please hit that like button. It helps other AIP warriors find their way to deliciousness. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so that you won't miss another tasty AIP creation. Until next time, be healed and be blessed. Veloma.